Hello everybody. I got my DRZ Supermoto ready to go for the ice this year. This is an SM, as you can see, well, by the forks and everything. But I've got the dirt set up on this, and I've got 998 of the Pro Gold screws in here, and these are brand new Dunlop 606 front and rear tires. And as you can see, this is the pattern that I decided to go with. It's quite an aggressive pattern, as you can see. And here's the front. So we're ready to go hit the river out here and the lakes. It's been very cold. It's the first week of December. I've already got snow on the ground. It was -5 and it's going to be -4 tonight. So we're about 30 degrees, 30 to 35 degrees below average out here. But I guess we'll take it, considering she's all studded up and ready to go. I'll post some ride videos. Alright guys.